Hey guys, we are back and today is the lower back exercise day, and I will post a video straight after that for the lower back stretches, because you know me, I don't like doing lower back exercises and don't stretch this thing out afterwards. Why is that? The lower back has the tendency of cramping a little bit and to get a little bit tight after exercising, and if you don't stretch this thing out right after your exercises, it's not going to be very good for you. So sometimes it has a tendency of spasm, sometimes it has a tendency of tightness, and you actually may end up pulling one of your muscles simply because it's still rather tight. And you don't want that. So always, no matter what you do, if you do kettlebells, if you do deadlifts, if you do whatever fancy floor exercise, you gotta stretch your lower back out after the exercise. Please do this, okay? Right, before I start mumbling around, let's go into the details. Now, a lot of lower back exercises are the typical up and down exercises, such as I already said, the kettlebell swings, the deadlifts, and obviously the back extensions we are having here. So this is one part of our lower back. This is the erector spinatus, that's the up and down movement. But unfortunately, this is only an external layer. The problems with the lower back normally occur within the inside of our lower back. And this is the quadratus lumborum, for example. The quadratus lumborum, it's right next to our spine, actually connects our hips to our spine. And that particular muscle has anything to do with these type of twists. Yeah. Now the thing is, if we only do up and down movements, we get the outer layer sorted, but not the inside layer, because for those we have to do our fancy little twists. The way you can do the twisty exercises is, again, with a lot of kettlebell exercises. Do the broom workout, that's a fantastic one, which is all of the twisting of the spine. And obviously what we're going to do today, I am trying to mix it up. Instead of just doing up and down movements, bear with me, we have to do up and down and twist to get the whole shebang sorted. But again, I am mumbling and mumbling and mumbling. You're all sitting there ready for the workout and wondering why I'm not starting. Also, I'm having a pillow ready because, again, you are probably working out in your room and haven't got a fancy mat, you only have a floor. So we will have to do most of our exercise later on a pillow. But first comes first. We start with one of the exercises. Here we go. You've probably all seen that. Again, I've rolled my pants down so you can see my spine moving. Here we go. So we are coming up, and the famous version will be roll your back, come up. But we do an extra version of it. We twist at the end. Roll, up, twist. Like this we get the whole shebang. Okay? We do 10 each side. Here we go. Roll, up, twist. 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we do the same on the other side. Roll, twist. Roll, twist. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Back on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more set to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Now we use our pillow. There you go. I need that to round our back extra. If we're just going to be on the floor, we don't get that extra bit to round our back. So you come down here, if it all rounded, where our hands are, I really don't care. You can also just have them here. I have them up so you can see my movement. Here we go, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We rest. Now try to get your legs up as high as possible. Please, as you can see in my case, it's only my bones here which are still on the floor. The whole shebang, the whole leg is up. So that's something like this. And when I say legs up, those just go higher. That's not what I meant. Legs totally straight. Absolutely no bending in your knee. And up we go. The upness has to come from your butt and your lower back, not from your knees. Up we go. And the stronger your bum and your lower back, the higher you can get this. So in the beginning it may only be here somewhere, but don't do this. Don't cheat. Get your legs totally straight. Second set. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We rest, and we're going to do this one more time. And get your legs as high as you can. I cannot say that clearly enough. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. I would normally stretch now, but we're not going to do that. Here we go. We're going to come to the standing exercise. For this I have to put the camera into a different position. Right, and we are now at a standing exercise, and as ridiculous as this is going to look, it will be very difficult to do, even if it doesn't appear to be the case. So we're coming back up. You know I love this stand so much, this kind of mini squat stand. And in front of the mirror, yeah, you practice in and out, in and out, in and out. And we do a little more of this. This is actually not as easy as it looks. Here we go. And 4, good. 5, good. 6, only your lower back. 7, good. 8, 9, good. And 10. Rest. We're going to do this 2 more times. I know this looks ridiculous. I don't care. You are at home. No one sees you. This trains your lower spine to become versatile, flexible, and strong. And not super stiff and painful with lots of whatever tight muscles which are going to burst any moment. We need that bouncy. Here we go. Coming from a 40-year-old, remember. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good, and 10. Is remember, this thing is stiff and gets all of the pressure all day long from us sitting on our butt. We need to move this shit. Okay? Right. Last set. And 1, good. 2, yeah. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, and butt really out, as if you are in a twerking competition. Just about to start. Here we go. And 5 more. 1, good. 2, yeah, good. 3, 4, and 5. Now, if you want to have all of the fancy rotations, I highly recommend to check out the room workout. This is about nothing but core rotations. Gets you even more bounciness in the spine. Okay, but now let's start with the stretches after we've done all the working out. Just remember, bounciness, we need it flexible, we need to move this shit, we can't keep it tight after a workout. Super important, otherwise you end up with pull muscles, okay? See you in the stretching workout.